Determine where on the laundry tape the cut needs to be made. Raise the cutting arm on the number 25 belt cutter, ensuring that the blade is pushed to the rear position. Align the laundry tape on the cutter, using the cutting slot to determine where the cut line will be. Press the laundry tape firmly against the lip of the number 25 belt cutter and bring the cutting arm down. With the cutting arm in the lowered position, press the handle down and pull the handle towards yourself. This will cut the laundry tape. Maintain downward pressure on the handle and push the handle back into the cutting arm. Raise the cutting arm and inspect your cut.